How to sign up Roku account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can create or open a new Roku account. For that, go ahead and open up any web browser. I have opened Google Chrome. Head over to roku.com. Once you're on this page, you want to click on the sign in option. Now, if you already have an account, you can simply enter all of your credentials on this left-hand side panel, such as email and password. Then click on the sign in option. If you are new to this and want to create a free Roku account, you want to click on the option of create account. Now it's going to take you to another page. Here you will have to enter some of your details such as email address, then enter your first name, now enter your last name and create a password. Once your password has been created, you want to check the box that says I'm aged 18 or older, and also the second box that agrees to the terms and conditions. Now click on the continue option. Once you do that, your new Roku account will be created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.